Affirmations, affirmations. Hey, let's do some positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are things that we say to help us feel fine. Sometimes, if we're sad, they can help us to feel not so sad. Affirmations are very good for helping us to feel a little bit happier. Are you ready? Here we go. I am kind and loved. I am brave and strong. I am smart and capable. I am a good friend. I am unique and special. I believe in myself. I can do anything I set my mind to. I am grateful for who I am. I choose to be happy and positive. If I'm sad, that's okay too, because I know it will pass. I love and accept myself just the way I am. That's all for now. Bye.